Right, here we go. Bike check on my new little Ripper. It's a size small Santa Cruz 5010. I've gone for aluminium this time, not carbon, just because stuff I do, I usually throw my bike around a little bit, and aluminium just takes hits on rocks better than carbon, so it's just one less thing to worry about when being a dick, basically. So yeah, where should we start? Got the Guide Ultimate brakes, perfect power for like dragging them in like endo stuff, and yeah, just I like them brakes. They're a good predictable bike. Got EXO on gears, 7-speed on this. Check out the block. Absolutely love that little thing. It's like, you can't really see it that good, but oh, there you go. I love it. It looks so sick. Yeah, small block just because not really going to be pedalling up much hills, and it just keeps things out of the way basically, so yeah, that looks good. Got the Chris King hub on the rear and front. These things are absolutely sick. You can't not like that noise. Yeah, got the little chunky fabric seat that we that Rat and boys at Fabric knocked up. It's just got that nice bit of cushioning for when you're nipping your seat and stuff, and yeah, I've had loads of bruises on the inside of my legs, but not with that thing. It's good. Maybe we'll make them, maybe not, I don't know. It's up to them boys. Got a RockShox Monarch shock out back with a 140 pike up front. Seems to have already put a scuff on them. Got the chainsaw bars up front, 780 width, not cut down, standard. I might cut them down once I've done a little trick involving a narrow bridge, but until then they're staying wide. Got a few stackers under the bars just because it's a small bike. Keep my stem up and out of the way. Yeah, it's looking good. Where should we go next? Got EXO tyres just to keep things light. High roller 2s front and back. Always my go-to. Bergtech flat pedals. These ones have seen some love. Solid pedals. Always nice on my shins. Got no dropper on this one, just because, yeah, same again, no pedaling up hills, less cables to worry about. Saying that, got this nest up front right now, but reason being for that is because I got a little bar spin thing lined up, but as soon as I get that done, I will be cleaning that up. I'm sure you'll all be hating me for that mess on such a sick new bike. But yeah, fuck it. Gotta do what you gotta do. So yeah, what else can I talk about? I got it set up pretty hard, just to make things easier. Hard, and the forks are pretty slow, back end's quite quick. Yeah. Santa Cruz Reserve rims. Got about them bad boys. Solid rims, as you saw Danny wrecking last week. I've not broken any yet. Not going to be riding with no tyres though, that's for sure. So yeah, that's it, really. Santa Cruz 5010. Over and out. Bad boy. Oh, I want to just show you this first. We don't usually have these links on the carbon. It's a little different on the alley. I just love that thing. It looks so nice. Sick bike. Loving it. Can't wait to get out on it. Gonna rip. Yeah.